Hello everyone, welcome to my very first vlog. This is Kyla Claire Sidangkal, and for today's video, we're talking about one of the most significant period in human history, the scientific revolution. It was a time of great intellectual advancement and exploration, and it paved the way for many of the scientific discoveries and innovation that we benefit from today. The scientific revolution was a time of significant change and development in the way people studied and understood the natural world. It began in the 16th century and lasted through the 18th century, and it was during this time that new ideas and theories about the world were explored. One of the most significant contributions of the scientific revolution was the development of the scientific method. Scientists began to rely on empirical data and experimentation to understand the world around them, rather than relying solely on established beliefs and tradition as had been the case for centuries before. Some of the famous figures of the scientific revolution include Nicolaus Copernicus, who proposed a heliocentric model of the universe. Copernicus' theory challenged the existing belief that the Earth was the center of the universe and led to further discoveries by other scientists, such as Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler. Galileo and Kepler were both important astronomers who used new technologies such as the telescope to study the movements of the planets and stars. Kepler's studies of the planetary motions contributed to his laws of planetary motion, while Galileo made some of the first systematic observations of celestial bodies, and his discoveries included craters and lunar mountains in the moon, four larger satellites of Jupiter, and sunspots. Another important figure of this period was Sir Isaac Newton, who is credited with developing the laws of motion and the law of gravity. Newton's groundbreaking ideas helped to establish physics as a legitimate field of study, and his work revolutionized the way scientists look at the universe. In conclusion, the scientific revolution was a period of tremendous growth and development in the field of science. Thanks to the contributions of brilliant individuals such as Galileo, Kepler, and Newton, we have a better understanding of the world and the universe we live in than ever before. I hope you enjoyed learning about scientific revolution. And that's all for today's blog.